Hello and welcome to our next video. Today I will show you how to make a perfect smoking hookah with Darkside tobacco for beginners and for experienced smokers. Roll the intro. Bzz, 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 bzz. So as I said, the first hookah we are going to prepare is the HookahJohn Trimony bowl. It's made for a lighter session with Darkside tobacco. It's on a scale from 1 to 10 like 4, 4.5. It's not hard to pack, you just put it in there, straighten it up with a fork. I have a premix of Darkside tobacco from red tea, supernova and some cola. And you just put the tobacco in. As you can see, this fork is ideal for the straightening of the level of the tobacco. You don't want any of the tobacco touching the HfD or the aluminium foil that you'll be having on the top of the bowl. So you just take the fork and straighten it up like this. It's like some kind of a semi-dense up to dense pack. And you will see it will have lots of smoke, lots of clouds, and lots of flavor also. And like this, it's ready to smoke. Try it at home. If you have some American bowls like this or some deeper funnels, it should be good to go. I have prepared this upgrade from standard bowl. And with Darkside tobacco, I prefer packing it with the fluffy up to semi-dense packing. And you will see this style has like lots and lots of smoke, lots of clouds, but also a pure flavor that's not getting destroyed by some overheating or something like that people are afraid of when using the upgrade bowls. But like this, it will smoke perfectly, it will be full of flavor, and you can experience some lighter buzz effect. On a scale of 1 to 10, as I said before, this would be like 6, 6.5. For some people might even be a 7, but I would say 6. Yes. And just level it up with a poker, make a hole in the middle so the airflow would be better. So like this, the bowl is ready to smoke. We're gonna heat up some coals and we'll talk about it while the hookah is getting prepared. As you can see, our hookah is ready. We have heated up on 4 coconut coals in the HfD, waited for about 5 minutes to heat up itself, and right now it's ready to smoke. As you can see, the clouds are okay, the flavor is top notch, and this packing is a little heavier on you, so I always recommend drinking something sweet like Coke, Pepsi or Fanta, something like that, to cope better with the nicotine and with the oxygen reduction in your body. So happy smoking with that. I'll see you in our next video where we will talk about some mistakes that people are making while preparing hookah and stuff like that. Happy smoking!